Good morning children, welcome to class 5 social studies. So today we are going to start with a new lesson children, Greenland. So this land is located in the Tundra region. So in the previous lessons we have learned different types of region children, frigid zone, temperate zone, torrid zone and this Tundra region. Okay, so is a country which is coming under the Tundra region children. So Tundra means it is almost covered with ice and snow throughout the year. So that type of country is Greenland children. Okay. So we know that we have two polar regions. One is Arctic and another one is Antarctic. Okay. Two polar regions, Arctic and Antarctic regions. So that is comes under the frigid zone children. Okay. So frigid zone. In that frigid zone, which is a region permanently covered with ice and snow, that is called as Tundra region. So once again I repeat, permanently covered with ice and snow children, that is Tundra region. Now Greenland is a country, is located in the northern frigid zone children. Okay, it is in the northern frigid zone. Okay, and it is the world's largest island. Okay, so it is the world largest island children. So you would have observed Sri Lanka, UK, like that. These are all islands only. But compared to that, Greenland is the world's largest island. Now we come to the location children. Again I will show you in the map. It is 650 km from the North Pole children. Okay. 650 km from the North Pole, and it is an autonomous territory of Denmark. First it was before 1953. Okay, before 1953 it was part of Denmark only. So after that only it has become an autonomous. Autonomous means independent. Okay, independent territory of Denmark. So the nearest continent is North America. Okay, and then Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. This one I will show you in the map children. Okay, Baffin, the name is Baffin. Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. Okay, so again I am going to show you about the Greenland only children. So this Greenland is located near the Arctic poles children. Okay. So this region is almost covered with snow and ice throughout the year. Okay. Then it is located in the northern frigid zone. It is the world's, from the map itself you can observe, it is the world's largest island. Okay. And then first one, it is geographically a part of North America. If you observe this one, no children, this is Canada. Okay, this is part of Canada. So it is closer to Canada, but when they say politically as a country, no, it is part of Europe. You know, you would have learned there are 5 continents. Okay, in that it is part of Europe children, but it is closer to the Northern America. Okay. Then Greenland is located 650 km away from the North Pole. So it is very little, almost closer children, closer to the North Pole. It is an autonomous territory. Okay. And then the closest, this one is North America only. And then which separates this North America and the Greenland is your Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait here children. Okay, the strait means it is a path or the gateway. Okay, Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. Okay, Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland and the Northern America children. Okay, so this one always location you have to take your textbook and see along with the map and read children. Okay children, then continue with the topic relief features children. How the location looks like, relief features. So what are they means? It covers an area of 21.5 So the area is fixed, children. It covers about 21.5 lakh square kilometer, and the terrain is flat. So you could have observed over there, the terrain means the land, okay, that is flat, but gradually sloping ice cap that covers all land. It covers almost all the land, children. Mountains, everywhere you find ice only, okay. Terrain is flat but gradually sloping ice cap that covers all land, okay. Everywhere it is snow only except for narrow mountainous, barren and rocky coast. So near the seaside, where you can find rocks, no, that place, or barren land and mountainous place, you don't find the snow, children. Okay, so once again I will show you here. You could have observed this Greenland. Okay, so many pictures are being given over here. See, the mountain regions, everywhere it is covered with snow. So this is your terrain. See, near the sea, the rocks will be there. So that place and all you don't find snow, children, almost. See, these pictures and all. See, observe here. This is likely during summer only, children. Okay, during the coastal place you don't find that much snow, but in winter season it is fully covered with snow, children. See, there is a night time photo, fully covered with snow. This is also, children, during winter time. Okay, so it is terrain is flat but gradually sloping ice cap that covers all land except for narrow mountainous, barren and rocky coast. As I told you, it is fully covered with the snow. So what happens now, children? Because of climate change, it has lost nearly 10 billion tons of ice since 2003 by the climatologists. Okay, they have observed that nearly the Greenland area, it has lost ice of 10 billion tons of ice they have lost, children. So what it has become? It has become water. The snow has melted and it has become water. So what happens? The water level in the sea and oceans will rise. Then it will cover the land, children. Okay. So some part of the land will go under water. That's why they are telling we should not increase our Earth's temperature. Otherwise, the whole world it will get affected. The next one, the same Greenland climate, no, where in India you have got, it is in Jammu Kashmir, children. The name place is Dras. Okay, Dras in Jammu Kashmir has the same type of climate. And then next one, almost 80% of the land is covered with the snow. That is called as ice cap. Okay. So as the area is covered with the snow, it is called as ice cap, children. Okay. And nearly 2/3 area lies in the Arctic Circle. So major areas, 2/3 area lies in the Arctic Circle, and the thickness of the ice sheet, see, you would have made ice cube or ice bars, you could have seen, but in the Greenland the thickness of the ice, average thickness is 1500 meters, children. So it is almost 1.5 kilometer, that much thickness. Okay, that much ice is being covered, children. Now icebergs. Okay, what are icebergs means? Huge piece of ice, children, like a small hill, like only that one will come out and will start floating in the water, children. Okay, they will float for a long time till they melt. Okay, the icebergs are your huge piece of ice, children. So in your textbook also they have shown the icebergs. See here, melting glacier of Greenland. So this like this icebergs will start floating in the water, children. Okay. So in so many videos and pictures also you could have seen the icebergs being melted, children. Okay. So this is for under the relief features, children. So why Greenland name was given means to attract tourists, they have given the name as Greenland children, but it is fully covered with snow and ice. So to attract tourists, it has been given the name Greenland children. Okay, so we will see